Okay, so I found out today that Facebook has called one of my posts spam and deleted it. And this is just a topic about dinosaurs. Now, to me, see, science has basically taken these skeletal fossils and added flesh, muscle, and skin onto them, and defined that this is what they call as a dinosaur. Okay. Now, the thing is that, you see, they initially were saying that dinosaurs were relative to reptiles. Then they later changed it and said that dinosaurs are relative to birds. Now, okay, so if these are relative to birds, then there has to be more than just flesh and skin. Now, take the pterodactyl, for example. Okay, the pterodactyl, which science says flies, has no hair, it has no feathers, and everything that we are aware of today, it generally will have hair or feathers if it does fly. These are just associated with things that do fly in our understanding of life on the planet. Now, science has also taken certain things like teeth and defined, these things like herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Okay, all of those things do come into play, but science has basically been picking and choosing its relative facts associated with biology and using only the ones that they want to use to define dinosaurs, which obviously nobody can actually prove what they look like. If they had skin tones, if they had color, which they've put on these dinosaurs, if they have hair or feathers, okay? Clearly, nobody can prove anything, one way or the other. I can't prove it. Nobody can, okay? But the thing is even though none of this is written in stone, okay, and a lot of us just basically, we take for granted what science tells us, and to me, we should be questioning science. We shouldn't just let science tell us what reality is, especially when you have things today like a platypus. Now, a platypus is defined as a mammal that lays eggs, something that dinosaurs seem to have done. Okay, and I also noticed something too, something that is relative to herbivores. I noticed that many herbivores have these things called ears. Okay, nobody has even put ears on a dinosaur, and we have seen today that many herbivores have many different sizes of ears that clearly help them hear. Now, with all of these things just being on my mind, it's hard for me to understand why Facebook would even delete it, because it's just a topic to me. It's not even really worth something. But now that they've deleted it and found this as spam, they have basically given it validity to discuss and argue. Well, that's all I feel like sharing today.